Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, today's video is a little bit different for me. You all know that I am not a fashion channel at all, but you do know that I love and support anything that is ethical, recyclable, sustainable, and I have wanted to share my vintage and recycled denim collection with you for such a long time. But I recently started chatting with a brand called Ameri, which makes these beautiful rattan handbags and other accessories as well. I got to know their brand quite well and realized that they're quite an ethical company, and I thought, rattan goes really nicely with most things, but particularly I love it with denim, especially sort of that vintage look. I think it all ties in really nicely together. So that's how this whole video has come about, because I know it seems a little bit random for my channel, so I wanted to explain that. Most of my vintage and recycled denim has come from Style Workroom on the Sunshine Coast, so I'll leave the details down below. I also do go into Miss Brown's Vintage in Byron Bay. If you're ever in that area, I highly recommend going in there. They have some really cool one-off stuff that you won't find anywhere else. I wanted to quickly explain this bag to you before I show you how I style the pieces with this beautiful rattan bag. I don't want to miss out on anything that I've learned about them, so I have written a few points down. First of all, their products are ethical. They're not mass-produced, so everything is handcrafted using real rattan or atta grass, and every single piece is unique because it's all handcrafted. So that is really hard to find, a brand that is not mass-produced. They purchase bags from weavers who promote fair trade. Bali is where I believe most of their weavers are based, and all of their weavers are fairly compensated to ensure they can make a living and support their families and their communities. So the fact that they actually care about where these products are coming from, how they're being made, is very important to me. It took me such a long time to pick one bag. They've just got so many cute options. So this is the Ata Bag in Iris. So this is the larger out of the two in the design. It's such a solid product, but it's so light and it's really comfortable to wear. Feels like it's really good quality, like strap is like not going anywhere. It looks really solid and feels really solid. It's got a little button clip at the front. It's got so much room. And the other thing I love is that the whole inside is lined, so whatever you're putting in your bag will not catch on the rattan or the grass. I do have some other sort of rattan looking bags, but they're not lined, and it is a pain in the butt. So I really love that this is lined with this beautiful fabric. So you really can't go wrong with a bag like this. The other thing is they do offer free shipping to the US, Canada, and Australia. They do ship worldwide apart from, I believe, Singapore and maybe one other place. All of the details are on their website, which I'll link down below. And the best thing is shipping is 3 to 5 business days. So that is amazing. Free shipping, fast shipping, you can't go wrong with that. Just to let you know, I'm a minimalist when it comes to clothing. So denim, black, white, linen, that is pretty much my wardrobe. If you're someone who likes a lot of color, you may not enjoy this video, but if you want to see how you can kind of pair basics with different denim styles, different shoes, I've just got a lot of staples in this video, and you can see how you can mix and match them together. So I hope that you get some inspiration from it, and I encourage you all to go and find your own vintage denim because it is so comfortable and it's all worn in for you. I'll leave links to everything that you will need down below, and I hope you enjoy the video.
I'm starting with my favorite pair of jeans, my Levi's 512 Slim Fit Tapered Leg. These are the ultimate mum jeans, high-waisted, flattering on any body type because they really add a nice shape to your butt. I like to wear these with a classic white shirt and black or tan slides. And this bag is the perfect addition as it's neutral and it keeps with the relaxed look over the shoulder. It's such a versatile look. You can wear it with the shirt relaxed, you can tie it up, or you can tuck it in. If that is a little too boring for you and you want a more youthful look, you can wear these jeans with a crop top and add some funky boots. You can roll the jeans up so that they sit above the boot, or you can tuck them in. This Ameri bag placed across the body is the perfect way to break up the block colours and add some contrast. These Something produced by Edwin 503 shorts are a little cheeky, so I like to pair them with feminine pieces that don't show too much skin. Black or tan slides are the perfect shoe choice for this summery look. To change up the bag, you can place some or all of the strap back into the bag and clip it shut. For more of a mature look, or if you'd like to make these shorts look a little more formal, I like to add a balloon shirt for extra shape and skin coverage. Black will naturally make an outfit appear more formal, and these leather mules are also a great way to dress up these shorts. This is a perfect look for daytime drinks or a casual dinner. This frayed Wrangler skirt is the ultimate festival piece. It's super comfortable, high-waisted, and it's not too short. I like to pair it with boots and the Amerii Ata Bag across the body for comfort and contrast to complete the look. Sometimes I do like to double denim, and this Lee 0411 size small jacket pairs so well with the Wrangler skirt. It can be worn open, buttoned up, collar up or down. You can even roll the cuffs, or you can casually hang it over your shoulders to completely change the look. Comfortable and so casual, these Guess acid wash shorts are my weekend go-tos. Worn with sneakers and a basic tee, it makes it really easy for me to choose an outfit for the markets on a Sunday. These would also be the perfect shorts to pair with a vintage, grungy, oversized tee, either tucked in, or you could make it into a crop by adding a knot in the front. This skirt is a very different piece for me, as the shape looks almost corporate. The high double button waist and gathered pockets add shape and make it an incredibly comfortable piece to wear. It also has a small slit in the back so that you can actually walk in it. I like to wear this casually with tan slides and a classic shirt. You could easily dress it up with a pair of heels or create a sexier feel with a fitted top. I don't actually know the brand or style, as it's all written in Chinese on the tag.
Oh, I really need coffee, because I tell you, it's really hard work doing a fashion video and changing and trying to like look cute and pose. I'm exhausted.